Hola, friends! Please join us as we explore how to get better. We want an intentional approach to learning and to practice. And oftentimes, an outside perspective coming from a teacher or a coach can be very helpful to how to improve and how to get to that next plateau, if you will. But sometimes we don't always have access to that outside influence, whether it be because of where we live, or we're in the middle of a pandemic and we're stuck in our homes, or maybe we don't have the right talent around us to reach out to. We would like to help you and encourage you to figure out ways of how you can be your own coach and how you can give yourself good feedback to help improve. Now, I know that some of you are going to balk at us constantly talking about videoing yourself dancing. I know that it is not people's favorite thing to do. We can't stress enough, though, this is an invaluable tool because then you can become that outside set of eyes looking in on what's going on. And it's very deceiving sometimes when we're dancing. Sometimes it can feel really great, but not look so good. And vice versa. Sometimes it looks great on camera and we're like, that didn't feel so good. So that outside perspective of watching yourself on video can be incredibly valuable.
And just like we said earlier, the first time feels really awkward and uncomfortable, but we get familiar with how we look in 2 dimensions rather than how we feel in 3 dimensions. So it's really valuable. And there's a simple process, a cycle that we can go through to gain the most benefit. Now, there are all kinds of things that we can work on: our expression, our musicality, how well we connect with a partner. But we want to work on one thing at a time, at most 2, to keep really clear about what our intentions are. What we do is we dance a song, either solo or if we have a partner, with our partner. Video that and then review it. What did we like? It's important to acknowledge that. What do we think could be improved, and how do we think that we could improve it? Then we practice that. We do the thing that we said that we will help make it better. When we think we're ready, we video it again, check our results. Is it good? Yeah. Okay, move on. Well, no, it didn't work so much. Do we need to do something different, or do we need to amplify it, do more of it, and then cycle back through that? Then lastly, at the end of a session, keep a log of some form. For one thing, it's nice to see that record of all the work that we've put in. Plus, we have a record of what we learned in this session, the things that went well for us, any questions that we have that we want to seek outside help for, and what we're going to start our next session with. We're all ready to get the most out of our sessions.
Absolutely. So keep practicing and keep recording those practices. Your eyes will tell you a lot to help you improve for yourself. Until next time, don't forget to video yourself practicing, and we'll see you on the next exploration. Abrazos!